Healthcare is changing. Okay, it's changing at warp speed. And if you thought there was downward pressure on reimbursement before, well, you haven't seen anything yet. But with pressure comes potential, and lots of it. You could become a quality leader. You could lower costs. You could grow market share. Simply put, you could influence the future of healthcare. So when it comes down to it, you have two choices: stand by and let the opportunity pass, or seize it. Nueterra is here to help. We've expanded what we do and what we offer to better meet the changing world of healthcare. Sure, the innovative facilities and partnerships we've built and managed for over 20 years will still be here. And yes, we'll still deploy the advanced technologies we've developed. But now, they are at the core of what we do, powering something much bigger. We're helping take healthcare forward in new ways. We're unlocking doors for providers by connecting them to consumers. We're opening doors for consumers by expanding their access to higher quality, lower cost healthcare. So, what's in it for me? Good question. Our clinically integrated solutions help providers maintain independence and control. Our network? Well, that provides financial stability and shared risk. Beyond that, Nueterra's programs and services are designed to help you expand market reach and increase market share. Long story short, being a part of the Nueterra network means you get access to lots of advantages. But it's one thing to say you've transformed as a company, and another to show it. So let's see what happens in an actual situation. You know, like the kind you deal with day in and day out. We think you'll see that through this one simple exercise, we can utilize our programs, services, technologies, and facilities to integrate and connect. When you work with Nueterra, we've got your back from start to finish. So long before the patient becomes a patient, we go to work, laying the foundation to help enhance and simplify the process. Through Nueterra Integrate, we implement technology that allows for the sharing of information with everyone involved in the healthcare process, working seamlessly to provide the right care at the right time, at the right place. And with Nueterra Coordinate, we implement patient navigation that connects patients to providers. In this program, patient navigators, generally nurses, help arrange, monitor, and coordinate care. They match the acuity need of the patient to the appropriate care provider in the network, and they help prevent unnecessary duplication of services in the process. With the foundational elements in place, let's take a closer look at what happens when the patient enters the equation. Let's assume, for demonstration purposes, that a workplace injury occurs and the worker injures a shoulder. From his primary care physician to an orthopedic specialist that utilizes imaging services, there could be a lot of providers and people involved. So how does the patient know where to go and when? After all, navigating through the old system was difficult. Enter our navigator, who becomes an advocate for the patient, providing care transition from one provider to the next. During the continuum of care, count on Nueterra Collect to make sure the payment process is simple, easy to understand, and more importantly, gets handled. Whether it's fee for service, pay per performance, bundled pricing, or a fully at-risk model, Nueterra Collect tackles everything, from sending out the bill to the actual collection. Our services are hands-on, so you don't have to be. Now that everyone has been paid and the process is almost over, how do you improve things next time? That's when you can turn to Nueterra Insight. We can extract data to help you improve quality, increase efficiencies, and lower costs. You'll get access to automated reporting, dashboards, and scorecards, the kind of information that can help shape the way you treat and manage patients in the future. With all of this in place, it's time to grow market share, expand geographic reach, and market your services. That's when you can turn to Nueterra Connect, with referral capabilities from our marketing programs and services like telehealth. We'll get you connected and keep you connected to the consumer. This was just a short example, just one of the many ways we're taking healthcare forward. As healthcare continues to change, so will we, seeking out opportunities to help you integrate care, lower costs, improve quality, increase market share, and expand geographic reach. After all, it's our mission to utilize our technologies and facilities to power programs and services that integrate providers and connect them to consumers. Put the power of Nueterra to work for you.